Welcome to Mind Code. Today we're talking about something truly transformative. Simple yet powerful principles to live a life full of respect, kindness, and integrity. Inspired by Stoic philosophy, these 10 habits will not only help you build stronger relationships, but also cultivate inner peace and strength. Stick around to the end because these timeless values could change the way you see yourself in the world. 1. Treat everyone with kindness. Kindness isn't about how others treat you. It's about staying true to your values. A Stoic believes kindness is a strength, not a weakness. Even if someone is rude, choose kindness because it shows your inner strength. It's like being a tree that stands tall no matter how strong the wind blows. 2. Be honest and keep your promises. Your word reflects who you are. If you say you'll do something, follow through, no matter how small it seems. Honesty builds trust, and trust builds respect. For Stoics, living with integrity means being truthful and dependable because that's something no one can take away from you. 3. Show good manners. Manners may seem small, but they leave a big impression. Saying please and thank you shows respect for others and makes them feel valued. Stoicism teaches that even in small acts, we should practice self-discipline and kindness to reflect our character. 4. Listen to others. Most people just wait to talk, but truly listening shows respect and understanding. A Stoic believes every person has something valuable to teach us. By listening carefully, you show humility and open yourself to learning from others' perspectives. 5. Be helpful without expecting anything. Helping others without looking for rewards shows true character. Stoics teach that the reward is in doing good itself, not in being thanked or praised. Think of it like watering a plant. You help it grow, even if no one sees you doing it. 6. Stay calm in difficult situations. When problems come, don't panic or lose your temper. Stoics say, you can't control what happens, but you can control how you respond. Staying calm shows emotional strength and inspires others to respect you. Imagine being the rock in the storm, steady and unshaken. 7. Respect yourself. Respect starts with you. Take care of your body, mind, and emotions. Make choices that match your values. When you respect yourself, others notice and respect you too. Stoics believe that living by your principles is the foundation of a good life. 8. Admit mistakes and apologize. Everyone makes mistakes. It's human. What matters is admitting them and apologizing sincerely. Stoics see this as a sign of strength, not weakness. Owning up to your mistakes shows you are humble and willing to grow. 9. Be reliable. People respect those they can count on. Whether it's showing up on time or finishing what you start, being dependable builds trust. The Stoics teach that consistency in your actions reflects your inner discipline and earns respect naturally. 10. Celebrate others' achievements. It's easy to feel jealous when someone else succeeds, but Stoics remind us to let go of envy. Celebrate others' wins as if they were your own. It shows you're confident and happy for others, which earns their appreciation in return. Final thoughts. Being respected isn't about trying to impress others. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. Stoic principles remind us to focus on what we can control: our actions, words, and emotions. When you live with kindness, honesty, and strength, respect and appreciation will follow naturally. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content.